Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In previous video, we already talked about shape. Now, in this video, we will talk about mode. So the first mode we discuss is cut mode. This our already familiar with this. The cut means we cut the some of the part of the object. This is the mean the cut. And the second is this one, slice. What the mean by slice is when you draw shape and create it. This allow you to create the separate shape. When you cut this, example if I cut this first and then select this. This size means the separate object. Make the object separate. This is the means of slice. Make the object separate. For example, if I using circle shape and in slice mode, and I draw shape. Oh, sorry. Now it's become spread, and then I cut. Select first. As you can see, I only can select. When I select this, it's not selected. When I select this, select it becomes spread. Then cut. Only cut this one. And the third, we talk about this one. This intersect. Intersect means we cut. No, we not cut. It's like cut. The cut is like this. But intersect means we draw shape and the intersect shape is become the object. For example, when I doing this one, oh sorry, select first the object and then doing intersect again. When I let go the mouse and I bring down, only this shape appear. This intersect between the shape I create and the object. This the intersect means. I go to circle. I doing the intersect mode, sorry, and create shape. In the circle here, as you can see, only the intersect appear. The intersect between my selection and the object. And the third is insert. Insert means I insert object in the I insert shape in object. Sorry, my bad English. So if I draw like a circle, then I go down. As you can see, it's not. I draw back. As you can see, I insert the shape in this object. Then if I insert this triangle shape, as you can see, so on the fifth one, the next one, join. The join means we create shape and join with this object. For example, if I create triangle, a box shape like this, and double click, as you can see, it's join with the object. Join with the object. I create circle. Oh, very clear. We create again. When I click, as you can see, it become one with the object. The join means we create object and join with this the first object, this object. And then knife. I think you familiar with this knife. The knife means cut cut the object with the shape, desired shape. For example, if I want to cut this object with the box shape, It's not, you cannot see the cut here. The cut, we go to edit and you will see this the shape I already cut. And if I want to cut circle shape, with the circle shape, click. I cannot see here, but if I enter edit mode, as you can see, this is the shape I cut. Well, now I explain this one, extract mode. The extract mode will allow you to copy the shape, when you already get here. So what I mean by that, first I click here, then I create shape here. I cut using shape. Oh, sorry. Then I go to extract this. I click this one, extract. It means extract shape. So if I going here and create shape, as you can see on the screen, this one shape, the extract. The extract mean you take the shape and create the shape. And the last one, this one, make. The make is means you create the shape and then you take the shape, and then the shape become the separate with object. Example, I create this one, as you can see on the screen, and we go to take the shape. So if I using this mode, make mode, this mode, the make, I create shape. Oh, sorry, I click first, I click, and the object created, and I can bring outside the object. So that's all this for this mode introduction version. So thanks for watching. Hope this video can help you using Boxcutter. And if you want, you can give me some coffee. And don't forget to subscribe for other Blender tutorial and tips. So thank you. Thanks for watching.